The premiere of the updated 2023 Hyundai Palisade has been scheduled for April 13. The automaker has a livestream video reveal set up on YouTube, and the preview image pretty much shows the entire rig. The facelifted Palisade gets a redesigned face including new headlights with more modern LED DRLs, a larger grille incorporating the parametric design style, and more chrome on the lower part of the bumper. The profile appears to be identical with the exception of the new multispoke wheels giving the SUV a more premium look. Hyundai hasn't shown us the rear end yet. Previous spy photos suggest there will be only minor changes to the interior. Similarly, we haven't heard of anything significant happening with Palisade powertrain options. The Palisade is expected to retain the 3.8-liter V6 which produces 291 horsepower and 262 pounds-foot of torque in the current model. Power is sent to the front or to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox.